Hey everyone, this is Matt from DrawingTutorialsOnline.com. We have another sketchbook in our sketchbook video marathon day. That's what we're going to call it. We have Emily R.
Hello.
How are you, Emily?
I'm good.
Dream job?
I'd like to be a showrunner at some point. Most of the stuff in here is either Beatles or what me and my friend are working on right now. It's called Stick It to Cricket.
Okay, awesome. Let's check this out. So let's start flipping.
Right.
It's a tiny one again. It's 6x9 or 5x8?
I think it's by 5x8.
Now, when did you start this sketchbook? Because there is so much in here.
I started it near December.
Okay.
I got it for Christmas, and then I had another sketchbook that I was trying to fill out as my main one, and this one being a side one, and then I did not like having the big one, so I went back to using the tinier one. I just like how neat everything is. Even though my stuff is kind of messy, I like how everything is just kind of put compact.
Yes, that was a gorgeous spread. Wow. Now, is your favorite band the Rolling Stones?
Of course.
Wow, excellent. This is good stuff.
Thank you.
That's the guy from Taxi.
Yeah, it's Andy Kaufman.
Oh my god, that was awesome. Great boxing gloves. Gosh. There is so much to look at in this sketchbook. It's great. Like, you cannot, everyone's gonna be pausing like on every page. Like, there's too much to look at. Wow. So these are just all out of your imagination.
Most of yes, and then I have the Beatles, but basically all of the stuff in here are my own characters.
You have got to be kidding me with that guy. That was so hilarious. God, that is so fun. And how long does a page take you?
It really depends. Sometimes I always will jump back and forth to it. I colored this yesterday, but I've had this for a very long time.
Really? I could never do that. That is so interesting. So you've had this drawing, say, for like 2 months, and then you go back and color it.
Yeah, because I didn't have the correct colors for my characters.
I see. So you're just kind of like waiting.
Yeah, so I was kind of scared that I was going to mess up the colors for the characters, and then I kind of messed it up on the page on the other side.
I see.
But
wow. Oh my god, that person with the suspender shorts is phenomenal. Damn.
And then I have Aqua Teen fan art.
Really, lots of great stuff. Now, a showrunner. Tell me a little bit about a showrunner. Is it as obvious as it sounds?
Yeah, like I would like to end up pitching a show and then having it. Probably I'd like a show on Adult Swim or Netflix.
Wow. Now, is your workspace really super busy with stuff everywhere?
It can get like that because I normally just use markers and then I will have them just kind of spread out everywhere.
Oh my god, what a fantastic page. That is so interesting. That guy with the glasses, holy. I feel as though I know him from somewhere.
It's basically just Steve Buscemi from Reservoir Dogs.
Okay. Wow. And does your animation look like this?
I wish. I hope it does. I'm not the best judge.
Is that an interior where you live? You just started drawing that?
I've had this image on my phone for a very long time.
Okay.
It was like an 80s interior. It was a bathroom, and it was rugged.
Oh.
Like this was rugged. I was like, oh, that's bad.
Oh my God, that is totally something gone wrong in the 80s. That is beautiful. I mean, I love to see those interiors in a sketchbook. Fantastic. Pretty cool. Lots of energy.
I taped garbage into my
I see
sketchbook.
that. It adds to the chaos of some of the pages are really.
I just have little doodles in here.
Wow. Definitely creative. That's why I asked you if your workspace was busy, because your sketchbook is so busy. I was wondering if it translates into your life in terms of, you know, your personal space and all that.
I try my best to keep it clean, because then it just gets very hectic, and then it makes it harder for me to work.
Yeah.
Or like go back to that space when it's completely messy.
I see.
Yeah, those are all taped.
Wow. So much fun. So cool. Beautiful.
I'm having such a hard time flipping.
Yeah, Shannon's fingers she's got them dipped in Bengay right now. Or what else? Icy hot from flipping is so
And that's
hard.
it.
That's your sketchbook?
Yeah.
That was a treat. Emily, thank you so much. I know you're going to be super successful in what you do. Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
We'll post your social media right below the video. Sound good?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Thanks for watching.